This video will show you how to pass the Noun Adjective agreement. This tends to be a rather difficult CP, and maybe one that you want to save for later. But let's begin. There'll be two types of questions for this CP. The first one will give you a noun and then an adjective with a blank ending. Your job is to put the ending in for the adjective. You do this by looking at the noun, identifying its case, number, and gender. So I look over here at corpora. It is either accusative or nominative, plural, neuter. Now I have to identify what declension the adjective falls in. Lot comes from latus, which is first and second. And the nominative or accusative neuter plural ending for the first and second declension would be a. The next one will give you a noun adjective pair. You have to identify which case, number, and gender the pair is. I look at weos celeris. The EAS is definitely accusative, plural, and this will be feminine. And so I mark all that apply. Nawis is genitive, singular, feminine. Celeris, celere is third declension. So the nominative or the genitive singular feminine for the third declension would be is. Femini would be nominative plural feminine. Fortis, forte is third. So the nominative plural feminine for the third is es. Be careful on agricolae. It's dative singular, but remember, agricola is masculine. And then focalis is third declension, so the dative singular masculine is I. I tell you here that nawi is going to be ablative, and it's feminine singular. Celer is from the third declension, and for all third declension adjectives, they act like I stems, and so the ablative singular is going to be I. Virtutibus is going to be feminine, either dative or ablative plural. It doesn't matter because they're the same endings. And then bonus is first, second declension, and the ablative plural for the first ablative or dative plural for the first and second declension is is. Pericula is either nominative or accusative plural. I got to be careful here because par is from the third declension. And remember, all third declension adjectives act like I stem, so it's going to be paria with an ia. Vir is nominative masculine singular, and the nominative masculine singular form of fortis from the third is is. You got lucky, I had a repeat here, so it's again paria. Femini now is genitive, and it is genitive singular feminine, and fortis is the third, so the genitive singular for the third is is. Here's a noun adjective pairing where I have to identify it. The dead giveaway is magnos, which is definitely accusative, plural, and masculine. Again, I had another repeat, got double lucky here. Corpori is neuter, dative, singular, because remember, corpus is third declension. However, latus is second declension, so my dative singular neuter would be o. Oops. We have another pairing here. Eurum parium. This would be genitive plural. It is third, and we have to remember that jus juris is neuter. Last one, paros fortis. Again, the os is a dead giveaway of accusative, plural, masculine. And that is how you pass the noun adjective agreement CP.